Introducing portable wet and dry cordless car vacuum cleaner. Introducing car cordless vacuum cleaner CS-A8, which is a lightweight and powerful vacuum that has no problem picking up dirt and other debris thanks to its cyclonic action, which is designed to keep the HEPA filter clear of excess clutter while maintaining suction strength. The motor is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can hold its charge for up to 18 months while still delivering high-level performance. Smart Charge technology recharges the battery completely in 2 hours, and it uses 50% less energy than traditional chargers. One feature that makes this an optimal hand vacuum for car use is the rotating slim nozzle attachment. Its small size can get into tight spaces, such as in between the seat and console where dirt and other particles can build up. There is also a flip-up brush tool for when you really need to scrub the upholstery or carpet. In addition to being excellent at cleaning, this cordless vacuum is also easy to clean. D-Lab, your choice for manufacturing.